Is that it? The one across the street?
What's up, YouTube, Facebook? You know who it is. We got the whole motor, transfer case, all pulled out of that K5 Blazer for the LS swap. So now we're gonna clean this chassis up. Pops is gonna run some brand new custom brake lines. Gotta snatch the motor mounts off, clean it up real nice. But it's all out. Took the whole front end off because it's getting all brand new front end. New core support, fenders. Got the brand new wheel wells right there. Yeah, we in the rain doing it.
Drop your glove.
We in the rain knocking it out, but it's out. New doors, new quarters, everything getting done. Got the LS motor right there. New transfer case. So I gotta take the transfer case off the other one, swap them out, drop it in. But first we got a lot of stuff we're gonna take care of right here. Getting this chassis cleaned up real nice. Painting that engine bay up. New brake lines. It's got the rough country, I think 6-inch lift. I ain't gonna hold y'all up much longer. Got Pops right there. Say what's up to the camera.
What's up? You see what's going on here? We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen.